I heard a lot of scuttlebutt about food shortage. Are you thinking what the scuttlebutt means? Do you think that you are so busy that you aren't able to give time for getting searched about new words of English? So hey there, welcome back to my channel Rohit Simani. So in this video we are going to do some 9 advanced English words. Not 9. In this video we are going to do 3 means 3 in this, 3 in this week, 3 in next week, 3 in after that weeks. Mean basically in this month. I thought of giving this method so as to take it might consume less time and you can understand whole matter easily because actually not 9 is not a large number, but yeah, actually the words are new and you might they are very confusing type. I found not for me but yeah, for beginners it might be for remembrance. You can use sticky notes and you can stick it on your walls. You can check out my previous videos on it. Not how to use sticky notes but yeah, something on it. I will post that video also, how to use sticky notes, profits of sticky notes or post-its. But yeah, ये वर्ड्स हिंदी में ये वर्ड्स थोड़े मीन्स बड़े बड़े हैं, थोड़े कंफ्यूजिंग हैं समथिंग और दिस एक्सेप्ट आई थॉट टू गिव यू दिस टाइप कि भाई 3 पार्ट्स में मैं आई एम गिविंग यू वर्ड्स, ऑल द वर्ड्स. So let us begin with the first word, and if you want more clarification you can check out my latest video. Let us go. So the first word is, let us pronounce
Anane.
Anane. Actually, I use this way of pronounce that you might find it more easier to use. Anane is an adjective. Unnamed. What does this word means? This word means extremely silly or stupid and lacking sense of meaning. Actually, a person you can use it for two kinds, mispronounced. Extremely silly or stupid means it is something silly or stupid, or you can replace it with silly and stupid. If you indirectly want to say someone, hey, you are very silly, what stupid thing you are talking about, or you can say what inane word you are talking about. This I put pressure on. I tried to put pressure on the word, but it wasn't good. So don't put pressure on words like inane or something which you are using. ये habitual हो जाता है कि जो नया words आप सीख रहे हैं, आप daily sentences में practice करते हैं, but वो थोड़ा प्रेशर लगाते हैं उस पर, तो वो अच्छा नहीं लगता है. एंड या, इफ़ यू जस्ट कमेंट डाउन इफ़ यू वांटेड मी टू एक्सप्लेन यू इन हिंदी ऑल्सो इफ आई एम यूजिंग मीन्स एज फॉर बिगनर्स आई कैन जस्ट मोर ट्रांसलेट इन हिंदी ऑल्सो. You can use for extremely silly or lacking sense of meaning. You can say that, hey, this is an inane person. It is having lacking sense or he is talking inane. He is asking inane questions. Let us go with example. Do not constantly badger people with inane questions. Don't eat people's head with inane question. Now the time comes for shout out, and the shout out goes to ML Sevani. He always write a very nice and a lovable comment. If you want to shout out in my next video, just comment down in the comment section below. Second is scuttlebutt. Scuttlebutt. It's very easy to remember. I just firstly brought new words or means easy words. It's noun. You can just go with the bracket one also. What does this mean? Means bracket वाले में आपको pronounce के लिए easy लगेगा. Scuttlebutt means rumor or gossip. Or I can just translate both in Hindi. Rumor means अफवाह or gossip means, yeah, I am not relatable with Hindi word, I don't know. Gossiping, gossip queen, gossip this and all the ladies in the colonies daily gossip at 4 p.m. in the evening. They gossips. Now you got two examples with this. I heard a lot of scuttlebutt about who children means. It is a gossip और rumor. वो अफवाह है या लोगों के बीच में gossips हो रही हैं. And second example is, have you heard any scuttlebutt about the new boss? Means is, in this situation there is a rumor or gossip. It is not पक्का नहीं है. So you can just indirectly use in front of auntie. Oh, in front of anyone like that. Oh, you are a scuttlebutt lady. But don't say it really. Now, the last word is of this session, that is vagary. Vagary. Vagary is an unexpected change in situation or a person's behavior. Now, the example is, the weather is vagary nowadays. It's an basically inexplicable change in situation or in someone's behavior भी आप इसको कह सकते हैं. But yeah, nowadays vagary means वो change होता रहता है. I can predict, yeah, today's monsoon, yeah, I don't know when you are seeing the video, but monsoon this time in Jabalpur is very in vagary. What does this means? Likewise, whole day it is something, black clouds are there and it's a rainy monsoon and rain is also falling very little, but yeah. And at evening at least 5:30 sun came. Means ऐसे नहीं at 12 noon के हिसाब से, but वो evening sun आया. It came as a setting sun. So the main motive of me for bringing this session was, after with a good, this is a good profit for you, that now you might be sound as advanced speaker, advanced English speaker. So guys, thank you for watching this video. For part 2 schedule बना के रखिए, pre-plan करके रखिए, and stay tuned on Saturday or Sundays. Take care, keep smiling. Comment down what was your favorite word. आपका favorite word आपको क्या लगा तीनों में से, and if you want a shout out, make a sentence. Yeah. You can practice a sentence and comment down below, and surely I will reply with the sentence. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Keep smiling.